I want you to imagine water. Or, better yet, I want you to imagine a place with water, like a stream. What exactly do you imagine? Do you see the stream? Can you hear it? Is the stream from a real place or just made up? Here, let me help you. Now what do you imagine? This sound comes from a particular place, at a particular time, but I would like you to consider how it changes the space you currently occupy. How it projects out of the speakers into the room, bouncing off of walls, furniture, and back to your ears. How does it affect your mood? How does it affect every sensation in your body? This sound comes from a particular place. Though this sound is a digital projection, a recreation, it is also very real.